Oh, hi everybody, Kia here, back in with another video. So I have something excited. I have from Zach Art. I have my Monsters booty. Um, so he moved the videos so they're now on the Instagram TV thing so you can view it. So I can probably put the link to that where mine is. So you can actually watch everything being taken out of the machine. And I also ordered a shirt from Zach Art, so it looks like that was thrown in here as well. I wonder why it was so big. So first we'll start with the shirt, then I'll go over the Monsters booty stuff. He was having a sale on the shirt, so I was like, I don't mind this shirt. I'm gonna snag it. So there we go. So there's a bunch of rubber uglies on a shirt. So that was pretty cool. I dig that. It's all screen printed, which is awesome. So that is a cool shirt. I can't wait to wear that. Let's check out what I got from the Monsters booty. I know I got some good items in here that I was excited about when I saw him pull out. So it looks like I got them all in a little set. So the first item I have is this rubber bat. It doesn't have a little string or anything. It'd be cool if it had a string. But I can probably like tack him to the wall. There we go. This little rubber bat. I got, of course, another one of the space aliens, parachute aliens. I got 2 rubber chickens. I don't recall in the video seeing me get 2. I got a stickers. That same Monsters booty. I got a really cool little hanging skeleton. Ooh. So I accidentally took his little hanger thing off. But there he is. Okay, we'll focus on him. This little jiggly skeleton. This was this thing I accidentally pulled out. So I'm going to have to try and re-put that in so I can hang him. I got one of these tar monster guys that I already bought the pack of. So I have an extra one now. A little jiggly. This little monster finger thing. And then another little monster figure thing. And then a crazy bone. It's all glittery. I was sad when I was like going through all my stuff cleaning that I can't find, so I'm guessing I got rid of them. But I used to have the Dragon Ball Z Crazy Bones, and I thought I had kept them somewhere safe. But I found my old game cards from like anime I liked, and I could not find those. So I'm guessing those vanished. So I was sad. But yeah, that's cool. So that is what I got from Monsters Booty. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Definitely, I will put the link down below for Zach Art so you guys can do this. The virtual vending machine of Doom. It's really fun, really cool. He makes like a lot of items. He puts in some vintage items in there. So it's always cool. You never know what you're going to get. And they're really cool items. If you like creepy things like vintage items, like vintage Halloween stuff, it's usually pretty cool. So I love doing it when I get the chance. It's not super expensive. I think it's like 5 or 4 tries for $5, something like that. So not too much more expensive than a regular vending machine. And everything gets shipped to you after you get to, and you get to watch the video that he posts to link you if you have like your Instagram. You have your Instagram name and you put it in the order information or in the little note section, then he'll tag you on Instagram, so you can find your video really easy. So it's super awesome. I love being able to watch him pull stuff out of a machine and then a little while later get a package of the stuff. It's really cool. So I like it. So check it out if you like that kind of stuff. And as always, thank you for watching, and peace out.